Welcome to FreePayroll. Your payroll experience just got smarter, faster, and a lot more intuitive. From the home page, click the Pay Schedule button located at the bottom of the screen. You'll be taken to the Pay Schedule page, where all existing pay schedules are listed. Here you can view each schedule's name, frequency, number of employees, status, and access quick actions to edit or deactivate that schedule. To create a new pay schedule, click Create Pay Schedule, then click Next to begin setting it up. Now fill in the details for your new pay schedule: name, pay frequency, pay period, and relation. Once you're done, click Review. A confirmation modal will appear with a summary of the pay schedule details. If everything looks correct, click Save. Your new pay schedule is now ready to be used. Thank you for using FreePayroll, where powerful payroll meets an effortless experience.